hate myself for that reason. And that reason only. So I've just made me a little platform. I think I'm gonna just make a wall just in case ain't no hackers come. No, I doubt. Oh, not hello. I was actually in a custom match. I was with my friend. A hacker actually, I think a hacker came, or is just my friend's alt, and he just came to troll. I was like, bro, did you do this? Huh? Wait. I'm just making a little platform and stuff, so yeah. Ooh, redfish. Possible rage play? Maybe. No! See why I hate my life? Just jump at me. That's why. I'm not fishy. Woo! 4 emeralds. And your brain gold now. I'm looking pretty good with my set. Also, if I become quiet, just know I'm just yeah. By the way, I'm also eating some watermelon right now, so what? Ooh. Oh, thank God! That was not. Oh my God! There you go. I'm gonna get a bow. Shoot the stream. 360 no scope. Oh, what? Are you serious? What? Yeah. My brain goes no. moment. Don't mind if I do. Oh yeah, battle arm is big brain because if hack come, if he won't hack me, yes. Brain. The heck? What the heck? There we go. Got him. Bro, that was on. Okay, no. Yes. Ooh. Ah. No, quitting. Yeah. No. 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 Why? 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 I hate this game, bro. Stupid game. The only way to cheer me up is if this fish gives me a video you like and sub to me. Goodbye.